The social cluster, consisting of the health, education and human settlement departments, amongst others, has been allocated more than 42 billion rand. In the economic cluster, the Department of Public Works and Roads was allocated just over 4 billion rand. Agriculture and Rural Development receives 1.2 billion rand, while the Economic Development, Environment, Conservation and Tourism Department gets over 982 million rand. But the biggest chunk of the budget went to the Education Department.
In this cluster, the Department of Education receives 21.9 billion. The Department of Health is allocated 16.5 billion. Human settlement budget is 1.8 billion, and social development allocation amounts to 1.8 billion, whilst arts and culture, sports and recreation receives 750.4 million.
Khosho says audit outcomes have also improved in the provincial departments from 8 unqualified audit reports in 2019 to 10 unqualified reports. However, opposition parties have slammed the budget allocations.
Unfortunately, the budget also said nothing about creating jobs or even creating a conducive environment whereby people will come and invest. And there was not even a mention of all those investment endeavors that they've done. Those pleasures have no space anywhere in the budget.
The budget, as we see each year, and I think this is going to be the same for the next year, won't be conveyed into service delivery. We won't see service delivery, real service delivery, coming from this budget.
Meanwhile, with 39% of people in the province unemployed, young people say government must do more to create jobs.
As an unemployed young person, we plead with government to assist us because many of us are not working. Our parents are depending on us. I have been unemployed for the past 12 years and I'm now 34 years old. I completed my matric when I was 20 years. I have never worked and my CVs are all over. I wanted to become a correctional officer, soldier or police officer.
MEC Khosho says she is optimistic that they will reduce the high rate of unemployment in the province. Thabiso Moss, SABC News, Mahikeng.